Safer on the road with high voltage. High passive safety of the Mercedes-Benz eActros 600 confirmed in crash tests. Comprehensive safety concept offers enhanced protection for drivers, surroundings, and rescue teams. Real-world crash test confirms structural stability and integrity of the battery. Accident research integrated into development from the very start. Leinfelden-Echterdingen / Neumünster. The battery-electric Mercedes-Benz eActros 600 for long-distance transport combines efficiency and sustainability with the highest standards of active and passive safety. Early on in the development phase, Mercedes-Benz Trucks' internal accident research team evaluated existing real-world accident data and applied it specifically to the vehicle's design elements. The objective was to consistently tailor protective measures to typical heavy-duty accident scenarios. As part of one of several real-world crash tests in Neumünster, Schleswig-Holstein, the eActros 600 was subjected to a side impact of the kind that can occur in serious road accidents. The test result: despite the considerable force exerted, the entire high-voltage battery system and all electrical components remained intact. The reinforced cab and defined energy absorption zones in the front end of the vehicle dissipate impact forces in frontal collision scenarios in a targeted manner via crash-optimized structures. With regard to side impact scenarios, the latest test confirmed that the high-voltage battery modules remained intact and the housing showed no critical deformations thanks to a frame architecture specially developed for heavy-duty collisions. In addition, airbag systems and seatbelt tensioners are available to increase occupant protection in all vehicle variants. Frank Mahler, head of accident research and passive safety at Mercedes-Benz Trucks, adds, "The test showed that the mechanical stress was high, but our concept works reliably." Prior to the test, simulation-based analyses were carried out and sensors were installed and precisely calibrated. Each component was precisely tailored to the test scenario. For me personally, the last 2 to 3 minutes before the crash are particularly fascinating, says Christoph Berger from the passive safety team, describing the moment just before the test sequence is triggered. Everything becomes quieter than before, and there is a concentrated tension in the air. Upon impact, more than a ton of mass collides with the side of the truck at a speed of over 50 km per hour. The high-voltage HV system, including batteries, meets strict internal requirements in terms of insulation technology, mechanical protection, and fire protection components to reduce potential risks after severe damage. Production vehicles thus meet all current legal standards as well as brand-specific test criteria that are significantly above regulatory requirements. After each physical test, a release check is first carried out by specialized emergency services. Only then does the detailed dismantling of central components begin for damage analysis against simulation data. Mercedes-Benz Trucks conducts regular physical tests, even when a model is already in series production, in order to derive continuous improvements. New findings from field data are continuously fed back into the product range. This ensures that technological developments can be implemented promptly, legal changes are complied with, and new customer requirements are taken into account. With this approach, Mercedes-Benz Trucks is consistently pursuing its Vision Zero goals for maximum road safety for both conventional and battery-electric heavy-duty vehicles in Europe.